guys, and welcome to Ipsy's Fun Time. So glad you can join. So today I got this package, this Ipsy package. If you guys have not ever heard of Ipsy's, you guys are totally missing out. Every month you get 5 beauty products, and they can either be full size or little minis. So cute. Also, not sponsored here. But anyway, guys, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. So let's just open it. And it also gives you a bag like this. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay, it has like this little, it says something. It says, "And off she went to change the world." Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Okay, guys. Look at that. It's a little star. That's so cool. Okay, so first thing I'm going to pull out. First thing I'm going to pull out is this little card that they give you. So there's that. And happy National Women's History Month, guys. If you're a girl, too. Yeah. And that's what it looks like. It tells you what's in it, but I'm not gonna see it. I'm just gonna look at the product. Okay, so first I'm gonna pull out this. What's mascara? That's what it looks like. I love the leopard prints, and it is Man Eater by Tartar. Sorry. Put that right there. Oh, it's like, it feels so weird. So weird. Okay, this is a Australian pink clay by Sand and Sky. Next thing. Okay, guys, so this is Shimmer Squad by Lottie London. I'm just gonna open it up here. Ooh. I am pretty sure, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that there's supposed to be a container that I'm supposed to have, but I don't have it, so they just give it a thing. Okay, it's still in contact, still intact, so I'm just gonna put on my wrist. Yeah, you can barely see it, but yeah. Yes. So that's what that shimmer looks like, the highlighter. I like to call it shimmer. I just do. Okay, guys, so yeah, next thing. That was our third thing. Okay, so this is the fourth thing. It's a brush. I'm pretty sure it's a crease brush. Open it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at the tiny glitters and shimmers inside of it. So cool. And the brush. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It has 2 diamonds here, if you guys can see, but it won't focus. Anyway, it's got 2 diamonds. I just had to try it out. Okay, so our last thing, it is Poolside Lush Eyeshadow by IBY Beauty. Back side of it. Just gonna open it now. In the box. This is eyeshadow. This is the container, IBY, in the shade Get Soaked. Oh, this is so pretty. This is what it looks like. Well, yeah. I really think this is awesome. I'm pretty sure it's just like $10 every month, because I'm pretty sure that's what my parents paid to get this for me. So thank you all so much for watching. I so much appreciate this, and I so much appreciate you guys following me, subscribing to this channel. So, final look at the bag. Anyway, guys, so much love that's going around this year, and there's also hate, but I mean, I just want to focus on the love. Okay, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you guys will know when I post. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately, but you know, I'm just gonna try and get into the routine of it. But thanks, guys. Peace out.